Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to go over some digital drawing tools that you can use on your iPad. I've been getting some feedback that some of you are not able to print these worksheets from the art site. So one way that we can get around that is if you just digitally draw on your worksheets using your Chromebook or your iPad. So I'm going to go over using the iPad first. So one way to do this is to reach out to me and I can send you an image file of the worksheet that you're trying to manipulate. So simply go to your mail and find the email from me, and I will send you those attachments, those images, and then you can just directly click on those images and then save each image to your iPad if you're using an iPad. Once you've saved those images, go to your photo album, and then you can click on those images and edit those images. So one way to do this is on the very top, go to the edit button. In the edit button, there will be a couple tools that you can use, but we want to go to the dot on the top, the circle with the 3 dots, and we want to click markup. That's the simplest way to just draw on your image and add color. So there's a few tools down here. There's a marker tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, a ruler tool. So we are going to just use, for now, the marker tool. I'm going to put my opacity bar all the way to the right hand side here and use sort of a medium brush. Now based on this worksheet, if I zoom in here and read the directions, this worksheet asks me to color in the color wheels to the left based on the directions. So the first category here is monochromatic, so that means one color plus tints and shades of that color. So what I would have to do here is go to the color menu and pick any color. So I'm just going to pick red, and I'm going to color in part of this color wheel red just using my finger on my iPad screen. If you have a stylus, that can work as well and help you. You can zoom in to see this a little bit better. Then I'm going to just go to darker version of red. So shade means darker, tint means lighter. So I don't have to color the whole wheel. I'm just going to choose a few colors, maybe 5. And then I'll go lighter. So lighter reds. Okay, so that's my color scheme, monochromatic. Now using those different shades and tints of red, I'm going to color in the pattern to the right using those colors. So it's up to me to decide how I color this pattern, but I do have to use monochromatic colors. So let's say I'm coloring in this area and I don't like what I did. I can go to the bottom arrow and undo or redo the marks that I've made. So that's just simply how to draw on your document using markup. So if I finish the whole document here and I want to turn in my work, one simple way to do that is just to click done, done again, and you can just directly email me this document that you've drawn on. If you go to the arrow with the box here, you can click on your mail icon, you can sign in, and then email this to me by typing in my email. You can write me a little message here if you want. Miss Buter, I finished my work. You can put your student name here, so I know who this is from, and then you can just directly email me that worksheet. So this particular assignment has 2 parts, so I can do the same thing for this next part. Go to Edit, go to Markup. This particular worksheet asks me to draw a certain type of pattern on it, and then color the pattern based on the color scheme that I have created. So once I've finished with my pattern, I've broken up the space here. I'm going to label this what type of color scheme I'm working on. So maybe I will be working on complementary colors, complements, and then I can just choose my color scheme. I'll do red and green complements, and I can start to color in my page. If I don't like what I did, I can go to the eraser tool. oops, I erased the whole object. I'm going to go to Pixel Eraser actually and undo that. Pixel Eraser, I think, will allow me to just erase tiny spots. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's just say I'm finished with this. Again, click done and done. You can email it to me directly by clicking the email button here, or you can just save that image to your iPad. You can export it and send it to me through a different app, through Google Drive is fine. If you want to go to Google Drive and share it with me there, it's totally up to you. But that's just a simple way that you can mark up a digital project on your iPad. So please reach out to me if you have any more questions about that. If you're struggling, we can get on a Zoom chat and I can walk you through it a little bit more. And please reach out with any more questions that you have. Okay, good luck. Thank you.